You know how sneezing used to be just mildly embarrassing? Now it's global chaos. Every time you achoo, someone's backyard floods, or burns, or sprouts glitter. It starts one morning. One morning, you sneeze once, boom, lightning outside your window. Weird coincidence. You sneeze again, and suddenly it's sunny. The birds are cheering. The clouds panic and scatter like interns during inspection. Your immune system just got promoted to God. At first it's fun. You sneeze when you want rain, cough for dramatic thunder, and sniffle for emotional lighting. You even start rating your sneezes like fine wine. Ah yes, a bold, full-bodied sneeze with notes of despair. Perfect for monsoon season. But then people notice. Your neighbor's car gets washed away after your morning allergy attack. Reporters camp outside your house. The news headline reads, "Local man controls climate with sinuses." And then the worst part, you're not the only one. The world discovers sneezing equals weather. All over the world, people start experimenting. Pepper sniffers, perfume junkies, pollen addicts. They all join the new global craze, the sneezing games. There are categories now: lightning rounds, tornado duels, humidity freestyle. Referees carry tissue boxes. Crowd chants, "Achoo! Achoo!" Commentators whisper like it's golf. He's going for a triple sneeze combo. Oh, that's a Category 5 hurricane. Stunning control. Countries build sneeze labs. Politicians debate nasal disarmament. There's a United Nations summit about antihistamines. Your sneezes are now classified weapons. You can't even catch a cold without causing a diplomatic incident. Someone sneezes in Tokyo, blizzard in Canada. Someone sneezes in Brazil, heat wave in Iceland. It's chaos. Beautiful, ridiculous chaos. Then comes the World Sneeze Summit. Every champion gathered in one place. Faces twitching, eyes watering. Everyone holding it in, waiting for the countdown. 3, 2, 1. 1,000 sneezes erupt. Thunder, rainbows, hail, glitter, frogs. Sky quits and does everything at once. The world pauses. The air smells like menthol and fear. After the chaos, silence. You look up at the sky, half sunshine, half storm. Someone sneezes again. A rainbow forms. Another sneeze, earthquake. You sigh, grab a tissue. Somewhere, a cat sneezes. A tiny drizzle forms. Somewhere else, a sunbeam pops out. You realize it's never going to stop. The weather, the sneezing, the chaos, it's permanent. But maybe that's okay. You sniffle, you smile, you sneeze again, just a little one. And for the first time, the world seems exactly how it's supposed to. Messy, absurd, unpredictable, and entirely yours. When sneezes control the weather, every achoo counts. And yes, you are unstoppable.